All right. So if you look here now, you see that I'm already at $32,949. I'm getting close to 33,000, right? So let's see how it goes. Let's see, maybe in the next few days, it's going to go to $33,000. But so far right now, it's $32,949. Look, I'm able to make this money because I promote other companies' products. So that is called affiliate marketing, right? So with affiliate marketing, you don't need a product of your own. You just promote other companies' products, and whenever a sale is made, you are paid commission. And just look how the sales are coming in. Can you see all these sales as the way they are coming in? That's awesome, right? Let's even check out, let's look at some of the commissions. Let's look at them quickly. Just be patient. Let it load. Let it load. I'm not going to waste your time. Can you see that? $20, $20, $20, $100, $20, $100, $20, $20, $20, $20, just like that, right? Can you see how that's how commissions are coming in, right? And look, I'm even expecting, let it load, let it load. Now, look at that. So you can see that I'm even expecting a payment of $120. Most likely tomorrow that should come into my bank account, right? It's just wonderful what you can make when you are willing to promote products online. And it's so simple. All I do is just copy and paste free ads on social media like Facebook, Instagram. I just post free ads and I get a lot of attention, and I from people, drive a lot of traffic to the products, and that is how I just make money. And you can see how simple it is. Look at that. $32,949. Look, if I can do it, you can do it also. Let me even show you another product that I am also promoting. Look at that here. Can you see how much I made with this particular product? $8,468, guys. $8,468 $8,468. It's wonderful, and I still just do the same thing. I just copy and paste free ad on social media, drive those traffic to this business. Let me show you one more. Look at this one. Can you see this is another business? You can see, let me even click on that so you can see that that's my that's my name there, right? It's wonderful. Let's just go down here, and I'm going to click on affiliate commission. Also, let it load. Let it load. Look at, so far now with this, I'm already at $903. But look at how the commission keep coming. Can you see that? $11, $11, $13, $11, $11, $13, $13, $11, $11, $13, $13, $13. I don't know whether you are getting what I'm trying to show you here, right? I'm just letting you know that you can actually make stupendous amount of money online. Just spending 30 minutes in a day is so powerful. Now, let me even show you some commissions that I received because of affiliate marketing. Look, just quickly look at this. Let's look at this. Can you see that? That is $600 in commission paid to my Stripe account. How do you like that? Let me show you another one. Look at this. This is $900 in commission paid to my Stripe account. You can even see look, that's my email there, right? So you know that it's straight to my Stripe account. But I show you more. Look at another one. $900 paid to my Stripe account. Let's check some more. Look at this. $1,150 paid to my PayPal account. It's amazing, right? I'll show you some more. Let's look at this. $621 paid to my PayPal account. Let's look. $100 paid to my PayPal account. Check some more. $300 instant commission paid to my PayPal account. Let's look whether we'll find more. $900 paid to my Stripe account. Look at this. $2,000 paid to my Wise account. Look, if I can do it, I believe anybody can do it. And look, if you decide to join my team, I am very willing to show you how I market all this business and how I'm able to make money with this system. Now I want to introduce you to a company that is literally the best out there right now, the best, okay? And if you promote their products, you will definitely make some very good amount of money online. Let me show you that company. It's called, look at that, E1U Life. Now you'll be asking me, what is E1U Life, right? Now this E1U Life is a software company, right? So their product is software. Let me even see if I can show you some of their products. Now look at their product here. Can you see that? Funnel builder software, website builder software. So if you are in a business of building websites, they have product for you. Can you see that? Email marketing software. So if you know the importance of email marketing, autoresponder, everything, this company this company have the software and they have the product. Okay, now look at this AI automation software, guys. This is powerful. This is AI. This is the latest technology, right? And you can see other products that they have. Can you see that? So they have so many products that you can actually promote and be able to earn substantial amount of commission with this. Now let's go to my notes before I'm done. Now, what is E1U Life? I've explained that to you. It's a software company, and then it has all these products that you need. Now, let me tell you the good thing about this company. Now, this company pays you 100% commissions in Bitcoin. So you earn the commission instantly. So you don't, unlike other businesses that I promote online, sometimes you have to wait for 1 week, 1 month, 2 months, 90 days before you get your commission. With E1U Live, you are paid instantly, immediately, guys. It's so powerful because they pay by Bitcoin. And look, even with this company, you don't even have to do any form of recruiting or selling for you to earn commissions. It's amazing. Now, how do you get started with E1U Live? Now, it only costs you, just like you see on the note, $25. One-time payment, no monthly fees, for you to be part of E1U Live, for you to be an affiliate of E1U Live and be able to promote their products, right? So all you need to do, you just pay $25 one time, no monthly fees. And once you do that, you are going to be put in what is called the E1U Life cycling matrix, guys. It's powerful, really, really powerful. So you are going to be put in this matrix, and this is how the matrix look like. And all these people, you don't even have to be the one to refer them, okay? The system automatically puts them under you. It's called forced matrix, right? They just put the people under you, and when it get to this last step, which is called your pay line, as they start putting people in the final step here, you will start earning commissions from every one of them. So you get 100% commission, 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 and with the last one, you will be put in another cycle. So this is going to be a perpetual cycle of you consistently earning commission. So you are going to earn instant commission and recurring commission. So how do you like that? So you can see why I'm excited about E1U Live and how it can really make you a lot of money, even if you don't have any experience in promoting, right? Is that not powerful? I told you that is powerful. Now, if you want to get started with E1U Live right now, what you want to do, go below this video you are watching right now, just like this. Now, once you come below the video, go to the first link that says step 1, join Go E1U Live. So go ahead, click that first link, just like this. Now, once you do that, that will now bring you to this capture page website. Now, all you have to do is very simple. Enter your first name here and enter your best email address here. So go ahead, just enter your first name here, just like this, and then you enter your best email address here, okay? Now, you see this yellow button that says yes, give me free access now. Go ahead, click that yellow button. Now, once you click the yellow button, that will bring you to this E1U Live video sales page, right? Now, you can go ahead and watch this awesome video, but to get started, you need to create a free account with E1U Live. So go ahead, click this button and create your free account. So just click it, then put in your username, in fact, just fill up all these details. Check this box, okay, that shows you are not a robot, and then you click submit. Once you do that, you will create a free account. Now you need to add your Bitcoin wallet address, your receiving Bitcoin wallet address, because this company only pays by Bitcoin. So they only pay you commission by Bitcoin. So you need to add your Bitcoin wallet address, then you activate the $25 level. So like I said, it only costs you $25 one time payment for you to get started with the system. I hope that is very easy for everybody to understand. Now, if you join my team, I am offering free one-on-one training, free one-on-one coaching, free one-on-one mentoring. So I'm going to work with you. I'm going to assist you in any way that I can until you start making some good amount of money with this amazing system. All right? Awesome. So if you like the video, please click the like button. Also click the share button, but don't forget, make sure you subscribe to this channel. All right? So with that, I'm done for today. I will see you again. Take care. Bye.